Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the swap swing transitions to your edits in Shortcut. So after you prepare the materials like photos or videos into Shortcut, what you need to do is click on the transition, this transition icon in between the clips, and the swap scene. You can just find it under the hot category, or you can also find it under the blur category in here. Let's find it. Okay, this one, the swap to transition. Don't forget to adjust the duration, and here click on apply to all, click on the check icon, and you are done. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.